Hi friends, Mrs. Ralston here, and we are going to work in our big book today, and Mrs. Lusher is going to be my kindergarten student. So here we go. Yesterday, Mrs. Lusher talked about a new skill that we worked on called rhyme production, and the category that we are going to be in today is things we eat. So I'm going to say a nonsense word, and then Mrs. Lusher is going to say a word that rhymes with mine, and her word will need to be something we eat. Okay? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Bapple.
Apple.
Mookie.
Cookie.
Voop.
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 Soup.
Ghost.
Toast.
Coatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Nutcake.
Cupcake.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Very good. And they might be a little tricky, and it's okay if you make a mistake and then you try again, just like Mrs. Lusher was not sure there for a second. Okay, our next part is onset fluency. I'm going to say a word, and I'm going to ask you which word begins like my word, and you'll say the two words. Okay? And then Mrs. Lusher will say the word that has the same onset. Like if I said which word begins like can, cake, or mop, you would say
Cake.
Very good. Okay, here we go. Which word begins like back, beg, keep?
Beg.
Which word begins like queen, test, quick?
Quick.
Which word begins like saying, line, size?
Size.
Which word begins like good, give, night?
Give.
Which word begins like lamp, least, move?
Least.
Very good. Okay, now we're going to blend some syllables. I'm going to say the syllables, and then you're going to blend them together and tell me how many. This is where we use our choppers. So if I said useful, useful, 2.
Okay.
Okay? Exchange.
Exchange. Exchange. 2.
Very good. Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus. 3.
Right, we're getting a little trickier, longer words. Nickel.
Nickel. Nickel. 2.
Very good. Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic. 3.
One more. Evidence.
Evidence. Evidence. 3.
Very good. Okay, this time we'll be isolating final sounds. So I'm going to say a sentence, and you're going to listen and just tell me the final sound that you hear.
Okay.
It's not a sentence. Okay, I guess I say 2 words, and you tell me the
Okay,
final sound.
we can do that.
Sorry, friends.
That's okay.
Moss plus. Good. Lot, gate. Robe, tube.
B.
Brain, fun.
N.
Hug, peg.
G.
Have, give.
V.
Good, made.
D.
Very good. Okay, next page. Going back to segmenting syllables, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word. You're going to chop the syllables and then tell me how many.
Okay.
Okay? So if I said fantastic, you would say
Fantastic. Fantastic. 3.
Okay, here we go. Country.
Country. Country. 2.
Good. Complete.
Complete. Complete. 2.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Buffalo. 3.
Very good. Important.
Important. Important. 3.
And our last one, ladybug.
Ladybug. Ladybug. 3.
Very good. Okay, now we're going to do the tricky one where we're adding syllables. So I will say a word, then you will, and I'll tell you something to add at the end, and then the word will become something different. Okay? Here we go. Pain, add full, it becomes
Painful.
good. Help, add full,
Helpful.
Use, add full.
Useful.
Hope, add full.
Hopeful.
Thank, add full.
Thankful.
Very good. Okay, this time we're deleting or taking away syllables. I'll say a word, then I'll say without and tell you something to take away, and then what's left, and you'll tell me the word. Okay? Okay, parking, take away ing, and you have
Park.
good. Playing, take away ing.
Play.
Reading, take away ing.
Read.
Counting, take away ing.
Count.
Seeing, take away see. Take away ing.
See.
Very good. Okay, last page. Okay, this time we're going to be substituting syllables. So I will say a word, then I'll tell you a part that you need to change to a different word, and you'll tell me what that word becomes. Okay? Strongest, change strong to cheap, and you have
Cheapest.
good. Cheapest, change cheap to cool, and you have
Coolest.
coolest, change cool to bright, and you have
Brightest.
brightest, change bright to sweet, and you have
Sweetest.
sweetest, change sweet to strong, and you have
Strongest.
very good. Okay, now we're going to do our letters and sounds. These are only going to be lowercase letters. They're not in order, and you're going to tell me the letter and the sound
Okay.
as I hold them up. Okay, here we go.
T, T. W, W. K, K. V, V. I, E. R, R. Q, Qu. C, K. J, J. D, D. E, E. X, X. M, M. L, L. U, G, G. F, F. P, P. B, B. H, H. S, S. N, N. Z, Z. O, A. Y, Y. A, A.
Very good. Getting super fast at that. Okay, our last part. I am going to say a sentence. You are going to tell me the number of words in my sentence, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Baking pies can be fun.
Baking pies can be fun. 5 words.
Very good. I see planes in the sky.
I see planes in the sky. 6.
My family is cool.
My family is cool. 4.
Do you always try your best?
Do you always try your best? 6.
Learning at school is so much fun.
Learning at school is so much fun. 7.
Very good. I could not trick Mrs. Lesher. Okay, guys, that's our big book for today. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.